Hello everybody. Gonna make you just a sort of little random maintenance stuff that's basically going on at the sawmill here. I finally got the air filter, so we're gonna go ahead and change this out real quick. And we're getting towards middle spring now, and the pile of logs is growing. So we might as well let the bus motor breathe while we're sawing. So just stuff you got to do. And this is the last I would say chilly day. We're not going to make it to 60 today, but it's better than what we had in the past couple of weeks. They're calling for a lot of rain coming up on Saturday morning, which is the day we saw. So I'm going to try to get some logs prepped and ready. But yeah, you can see inside of there it's time to change it out. So I went ahead and bought a nice clean filter. And that's what it looks like. That's what it should look like right there. So we'll go ahead and get this put back and buttoned up. And I see they were nice enough to give me a brand new gasket here. So this is brand new now. That'll make a good seal. We're down on there. And someone had suggested we pipe this thing to the outside to quiet it down a little bit. I guess we could do something like that. But that's not real high on the priority list. Of course, as soon as you turn the camera on, always got to be an airplane. So I'm going to get these started on here, then. And we're due for filters, oil change on it. All that good stuff be coming up here. So we'll get this buttoned up. We'll fire up the loader, and we'll get a couple logs scanned. I'm by myself today. Everybody else is busy, and just trying to get some stuff done before the heavy rain comes back. So all right, we'll see you back at the log pile. We got a couple logs at least loaded onto the deck. It's supposed to rain a lot coming up this weekend, and if that's the case, I don't want to be out here in the mud. And also, we got this load of logs delivered in kind of a bad spot. We needed some room to get around in here, so I wanted to get this area cleared out so we can at least get through here. And there again, there's the big pile of pine. That's just a few. That was just a couple that we're not putting a big pile like that short one there. So, you know, when you're shooting a video by yourself, loading and scanning logs, it gives me a lot of respect for people like Frickin' Jeep and Gary Wheeler. He's always by himself, and there's a lot of truth to when you're doing something by yourself, it takes twice as long. Plus, when you're trying to film it on and off the machine, trying to get a camera angle, it turns into a real pain. So, but we made some progress. It's supposed to, like I said, rain like heck on Saturday morning, and I hate metal detecting out in the rain. And this way we come up here, all we have to do is fire equipment up and start slicing into these logs. So hey, thanks for coming along. I know it wasn't much of a video, but we got something accomplished, so I'll catch you on the next one. All right, bye-bye.